Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbox a brand new case for my Samsung Galaxy A02. So without further ado, let's get started. This time is grey color, while the previous that I purchased is black. It looks nice. Actually, I want the black color, but it's out of stock. So I decided to take this. Still beautiful color, same price, just a different model and the colors. So here's my Galaxy A02. Beautiful case, look at that. Very clean. It looks expensive. Let's install on my Galaxy A02. That's it. Very easy to install and remove. Very soft rubber. Now it looks good. Camera protection. If it's black color on this area, would be much better. Buttons are easy to press. It looks great. The holes are good. So before ends video, you can give a feedback for this unbox a brand new case for my Samsung Galaxy A02 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and see you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.